Hi, Alex here from Centric New Homes. You join me back at Florence Place, a stunning redevelopment of the original Victorian teaching hospital in Selly Oak. Following the success of Nightingale House, where over 50% is now sold, I'm delighted to announce the launch of 80 to 84 Arkell Way, or as fondly referred to as Nurse's House. Nurse's House consists of just 10 one- and two-bedroom apartments, set across 3 separate entrances. Apartments in Nurse's House offer a high specification finish, while offering dual aspect views over the communal gardens and central courtyard. Each property comes with 1 allocated parking space. Florence Place is ideally located on the doorsteps of Selly Oak Business Park and a short commute to Selly Oak train station, Birmingham University and Queen Elizabeth Hospital. Prices in Nurse's House are due to start from $199,950. Launch day is scheduled for Saturday the 9th of September, viewings by appointment only. If you would like further information or to book your appointment, please don't hesitate to contact the Centric New Homes team on 0121 347 6116, option 2.